Rakhi Sawant.
Whoa, I think she's fab. I wanted to understand a little bit about the scams that happen in styling. How does that whole industry work? We have heard a lot of wrongdoings from our close sources that happened.
That's not me.
That's not her. That happened in the styling industry.
Actually, I've been too kind. 6.5.
6.5.
Okay. Now, Miss Sonam Kapoor.
Whoa, the queen.
Okay, Miss Sonam Kapoor killed it. I was working on this film. I was working on crew.
Okay.
For that song Naina with Diljit and Badshah and everyone. So during that movie, because it's been produced by
Let's talk a little bit about styling for men. We learned how to become a stylist. We learned what are the first few steps. We learned how to monetize it. This is just a random topic that I picked up from our last conversation. What does styling for men look like? Is it different from that of women? And what are the confidence issues that men probably have when getting styled?
So, like how most women are very self-aware of
Yeah.
what they want to look and
Yeah.
what they want to dress
This is
like.
my angle.
This is
my
We sat here and we're like, this is my angle. Is this
Yeah,
good
is
enough?
yeah.
Yeah. So, but again, that does happen. But what happens is styling men and styling women is two different things. Like
Yeah.
women come with a lot of things, lot of their vanities and stuff.
Yeah.
But with men, it's comparatively easier.
Easier.
Because you only have like these set amount of things that you can work with.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
it just works again, like I mentioned, कि आप पे क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, आपके body type पे क्या अच्छा लग रहा है. Like if
Yeah.
first of all, skinny jeans with men should be out. Like it should be banned.
Okay. they should
Yeah.
be burnt.
I have a
Any-
very strong feeling for this, but it
Yeah.
should be like,
Yeah.
guys, stop wearing skinny jeans. It's done. Like,
It's done. Leave that for the girls.
yeah.
And for the girls also, I think
Also,
I would say.
think we should get rid of skinny.
Yeah.
But yeah, so with men also, again, like, making very small changes, like if you ditch that skinny denim and wear like a trouser instead, you will look much more polished. Like it's not about trying different kinds of clothes, it's just playing with the proportion. Like if you wear like a loose shirt, so and like just play with proportion. And honestly, like with men's fashion, the more relaxed,
Yeah.
the more comfortable
Comfy
you
and
are,
easy.
and easy going, it'll look the best.
I mean, I like one in oversized clothes.
Same girl, same.
Yeah. Men in oversized clothes, there's something about it. I don't know if it's just me, but like there's. I have issue with men with like really tight clothes.
Stuff, I agree.
Oh my
I
god!
agree.
Like
I can't breathe looking at you.
I.
Like I'm like, oh my god, it's not
Yeah.
tight. I get it. I completely
Yeah,
get it.
and they look cute with like just like loose anyway.
Or maybe something relaxed.
Yeah, that's the word.
That's
Actually,
the word, relaxed.
Something relaxed.
Yeah.
So styling, when you style, I'm sure you come across with a lot of insecurities that these people face when they are getting styled, right? So that brings me to a question: what are the top 3 insecurities you find most of the women have?
First of all, always, am I looking fat?
Yay! 100
had
points.
this-
I've said this 10
yeah,
times. in
Yeah,
morning.
we've had this so many times. Today.
Today.
only. But
Today.
yeah, but we do have that because Instagram has changed that, right? Everyone is so
Absolutely.
picture perfect and like the most perfect self.
Yeah.
You just tend to forget like this is how normal human bodies are and this will happen. So that is the number one insecurity. Like, am I looking fat? This is not looking good. Something is too tight. Is things bulging from the side? And a lot of people like, again, like have, I can name like 100 insecurities, but it all comes down to
Do
like I
1, 2,
mentioned.
3, 4, 5.
Number 1, we got fat. Number 2, is my hair looking fine?
Hair is a big insecurity.
Hair is a
That's
big
so true.
insecurity.
And I did not know about this until very recently. I met a couple of people and, I realized that hair is a big problem. I'm blessed with good hair, touch wood. So,
Number 3, if my skin tone is proper? Is
Color
my
issues.
makeup color issues?
Yeah.
Is the if the makeup, because the camera catches everything.
Right, right.
Okay.
And if you would say insecurities that men typically, you find these insecurities typically in men, what would you name top 3 insecurities in men?
Men generally don't care much about most of these things. It's mostly women oriented, but height is a very big issue.
Height is a big issue
Height is
with
a big
men.
issue, and also their hair is also a very big issue.
Yeah.
The hair needs to be a certain way.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
these are the top 2 insecurities that I feel like are more prevalent in men when you style men.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So, Roma, you worked with several celebrities. You've done music events. You've done big music artists. You've done banner films. You've done A-list celebrities. You've done models. You've done. I don't think anybody's left. You've done entrepreneurs. You styled me also a couple of
Yes.
times. So you've styled us all, right? So, Roma, since you've styled everybody under the sun, makeup artists, entrepreneurs, pop stars. TV actors, celebrities, models, everybody. What are some of the most common celebrity tantrums that you come across? I'm sure when you meet these celebrities, I'm sure there are a lot of tantrums that you guys have to face. So tell me a little bit about what goes on behind the scenes.
Like you rightfully said, like when one is being dressed,
Yeah.
they always want to look a certain way.
Yeah.
So even if something looks really good, they'll be like, this is not nice, but this is not my style. Even if they look the best in whatever you've gotten them.
Yeah, yeah.
There are like, you need to deal with a lot of these tantrums. And honestly, this is a part of the job. And like, yeah, I've become desensitized to this because I know it's a part of my job. Yeah, whatever. At some point, you're just like, "Ki, you know what? Okay, you like this. As long as you feel good, you want to wear this. Let's just
wear
go
it.
ahead." Yeah,
Right.
There have been times like that, but yeah, it's a part and parcel of the job. Celebrity tantrums is very normal. Like, I don't want to wear this. This is
Yeah.
making me look fat when it is not making them look fat.
I think one advice that I actually very keenly followed from you is like, don't speak until you try it.
Yes.
So I feel like
that
that's,
happens so much because while we go for trials,
Yeah.
we share pictures, right? And we're like, okay, this is what it is and what looks like it. And a lot of celebrities, without even trying it, they'll be like, no, I don't want to wear this. There have been so many times when I still take it and
Yeah.
I tell them, trust me, I think this will look good. And once they wear it, they're like, you were right.
You were right.
This does look good. So yeah, these are.
And when it comes to celebrities, do they actually have a decent personal style, or are they like completely blank slate?
Some people's personal styles are very questionable.
Can you
The
name a
truth.
few?
You might have to beep it
Beep
out.
it out. We will. Go ahead.
But yeah, like a lot of people, like I think Rakhi Sawant.
Whoa. I think she's fab. Rakhi, we have a fan here. I'm a fan.
I love Rakhi as a person. Like, but
Rakhi in the Spider-Man outfit.
Oh my God.
Spider-Man.
Iconic.
Spider-Man. I do not
But
say
yeah.
anything about Rakhi Sound. I take it personally.
yeah, or con. I think Kajol. Kajol needs to do better.
Okay, that's a new name. We weren't expecting.
Yeah, and
What else?
Urvashi Rautela.
Urvashi Rote, she's actually from her brother studied from aviation.
Yeah.
In
Dubai.
Dubai.
The
I have golden visa. Me and my full family have golden visa.
yeah.
Oh my.
I know well.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Miss Universe, Miss India, Miss World.
One and only IIT Miss India, Miss Universe.
Oh yeah. The only women on the planet to walk in
To
heels.
walk in heels. Bonjour.
Oh God.
Je m'appelle.
Bonjour.
Je...
So Roma, let's talk about a few people in the industry that you admire when it comes to styling. Who would you say are the top 3 stylists right now in the Bollywood industry?
Top 3
Top
stylists.
3. Yeah.
Okay. I really like Shalina's work. Shalina Nathani is Deepika's stylist, Deepika
Okay.
Padukone's stylist.
Yeah.
Riya Kapoor is doing a fab job. Like, she styles most of the celebrities. And I've had the chance to work with her as well.
I've had the chance to send goods to her dogs.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah.
love that.
Yeah.
And also, I really like Priyanka Kapadia's work, who generally styles Alia and a bunch of like A-list celebrities. They
Okay.
all are doing like pretty good.
Okay, so these are the and if you had to say about how, so if I'm a new person that wants to get into the styling industry, how do I learn about this business, and how do I learn about this industry? Like say, or maybe what are the top two three people whose content maybe I can follow and I can probably learn, right? Because YouTube is a school right now. So how does one learn styling? Because there's no school that teaches you how to style people, right? It's a very creative job and it's a very artistic job.
Yeah.
So how does one actually learn to style?
For starters, maybe start with Pinterest because styling is very visual.
Yeah.
So Pinterest will help you a lot. You can literally just type color combos or trends of 2025 in women, and you'll just literally get globally list of everything.
Yeah, yeah.
And you can actually see it, and that for starters, that's the best place. And then genuinely I just feel like it's a very learning on the job kind of a work, kind of a field. So no matter, even if you have like a styling sense, unless and until you do not work, in the field, I am not sure if anything can teach you to what you have to go through in
So
this
basically,
entire
you need to
process.
try hands on to
Hands
learn how to
on.
style.
This is a very hands on job. It's
Okay. Coming back to something that is slightly controversial, we are going to ask you how much you earn. So, a stylist that's starting out versus a stylist that's now established, what is the difference in pay? What does the earning structure look like? How does one stylist make for a gig, and how much do they make for an event? How much do they make for a movie? Or
Okay, so it all depends on your client, to be
right,
honest.
right.
If a client is a big client and they are willing to pay you a certain amount, the styling fees can range anywhere from, let's start from free to anywhere from, for a look, 1 to 1.5 lakh.
Oh, this is just the styling.
Just the styling fees,
Okay.
but in that styling fees, you also have to take care of, like, you're the not the only person working, right?
Yeah.
Everything works in a team, so you have to take care of the team and their logistics and everything. So, but fees range from anywhere, like I mentioned. Okay, let's not say free, but like if you have to monetize, like from the start, it can range anywhere between 5K a look to 1 to 1.5 or even 2 lakhs a look, depending your client, depending the budget, depending the length and breadth of
The
that
work.
look. Yeah.
Right. And I wanted to understand a little bit about the scams that happen in styling. How does that whole industry work? We have heard a lot of wrongdoings from our close sources that happened.
That's not me.
That's not her. That happened in the styling industry. So a little birdie actually came and told us about some scams that happen in the styling industry. We want you to touch base on some of them. How does this work, and what goes on behind the scenes when things are not good?
It can range anywhere from your payment being delayed, which is very normal. Like people want work
Yeah.
within 2 hours, 3 hours. I've had to make looks within a day. Source. Okay, I get a call today, and tomorrow is the event, so I have to do everything in a jiffy. But the payment takes 4, 5 months.
Four,
It
five
was a
months.
gig that I did that paid me after a year.
Okay.
So there have been scams where people have worked a lot. A lot of production houses generally become bankrupt after they exhaust all their money out.
Oh.
There are a few production houses that till date still haven't paid a lot of people, and there was a bunch of case as well on them. So these are the scams that keep on happening. And also with the designers, like if something goes wrong while wearing, or like a seam comes out,
The outfit is damaged.
the outfit is damaged, you will have to pay like a certain amount and stuff like that.
Oh.
There have been times where real jewelry has been lost. So either the celebrity or the stylist has to bear those costs. So
Oh,
it's a
okay.
very, that it's a very risk taking kind of a job. And there have been times where people will just wear something and then they'll be like, oh, but I didn't wear this. And then they will end up posting on social media. And
And
I've
you find
had,
out.
and we find out, the brands find out, the brands then, we are the POC, right?
Yeah,
Then they
yeah.
come to us, and
So
there's
is it
a
about
whole
not
lot.
giving credits or
it's
tagging?
it's not about giving credits, number one. Number two, not keeping the brand informed that
Yeah.
hey, I'm wearing this.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's all about communication. But There have been scams like that.
So, Roma, now let's begin with a fun segment that is playing games.
Let's go.
Who do you think is the best style in the industry?
Who has the best style?
Yeah. Name 3 people that you think have the best style in the industry.
Okay, Karina has an amazing, like a fab style.
Flawless.
I'm a fan. Sonam has a really good style. She carries herself really well.
Yeah.
And recently, I also am liking what Bhumi Pednekar is pulling off. Like she's very experimental.
Top 3 best style men in the industry.
Top 3 best styled.
Men.
Shahid is really well styled.
Yeah.
Even
He's
Babil.
always looking cute. I don't know why
Yeah.
and how.
Even Babil, actually, Babil Khan. He is also really good.
Okay.
And another person, I think, how can we not talk about Ranveer Singh?
Oh my god.
Not maybe the best style, but that man just carries off, like he pulls off everything that he wears.
He's gonna soon wear his daughter's frock also. And
I'm
look better
sure,
than
and
her.
he'll still kill it.
Yeah. Dude, there's this one guy, you will not believe that, but I just feel like nobody looks better than him in like casual wear.
Yeah. Who's
Yeah.
this?
Ranbir Kapoor. Dude, he can just give that man a pair of t-shirt, pants and chappal and he comes out like a god. Like he's like God, like, you know, he walks and I see a halo behind him.
Really?
I also see that same halo behind Salman Khan though. Maybe it's just because I like him, but lately like Ranbir, he's like baby daddy style. You know what I mean?
Baby daddy style.
Baby daddy style. Yeah. So that's the kind. I mean, I love it. I love it. I'm not a stylist and I have nothing to say here, but I just
I
love.
think he does wear.
He's
really
not.
Cool
I don't.
stuff.
I'm not saying that he's experimental, but whatever he wears, you know, cool, casual, cargo
Yeah,
pants, shirt,
yeah.
cap.
That's his personal style.
Yeah, and that's fab. That's fab. Like his personal style is fab. Like I don't think if I look at a man wearing orange track pants and orange jacket and ponytail and sunglasses, I don't think I would be like, but when you know,
Yeah, I know what you mean. Like
Yeah.
basically a dapper person who wears something.
I mean it's good for the
that they
screen.
love.
What Ranveer
Yeah,
Singh does
yeah,
is good for the
yeah.
screen, but I don't know if I'm okay with a man wearing a frock around me. I don't know.
That is just for the gig.
That is just yeah. Now Roma, give me 3 names that you think have the best personal fashion sense.
Personal fashion sense.
Yeah.
Deepika has good personal style.
Okay.
Katrina also has a good personal style. And because so many people are styled professionally, they hardly get out. I think
I have a very important. What do you think about Karina's son's personal style? I love how he's just rocking that cap,
Cap?
everywhere
with his
Everywhere.
Crocs,
yeah,
matching
And
Crocs.
You saw
Love
the
it.
last pap video. It's like,
Yeah. He is actually really funny like that.
yeah. Anyway, sorry, that was just a joke, obviously.
Katrina, Deepika, and maybe Ananya.
Cute. She's cute. So Roma, I want you to rate these 5 celebrity looks. Go for it.
Okay, so the first one, Karina. Bebo looks fab, 10 on 10.
She
Like,
always looks fab.
she carries it so well.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
dress looks so stunning on her. The color looks amazing. That little net thing that's happening. It's giving. I love it. 10
Love it.
on 10.
Next.
Okay, next. I came across Shraddha Kapoor's look.
Oh, the blue one, the blue thing that she's wearing.
Yes.
I think she looks great.
I think she looks great, but
But
there's something going on in that dress. Maybe it's a little too busy.
you know when somebody says you look good, but
Yes. But that's what I'm saying. Like,
Yeah.
she looks fab. But there's something about the whole color. Like, to me, it's a little too busy. Like, I would rate it, like, because, and that face card is amazing.
oh,
So, only for the confusing colors, I'll cut like 2 points, 8 on 10.
8 on 10.
Yeah. Oh, again, Shraddha Kapoor wearing a sari with a belt. Interesting. I like she experiments, but I love the color on her. The belt is something very experimental. I'd give it an 8 out of 10 too. Shibani Dandekar looks nice in.
I
Rahul
actually really
Mishra.
like her style.
Yeah.
Her athleisure,
Her-
actually.
yeah, and she does really look good.
Yeah.
Should give that. Like, I like the dress
And I like the
how
man.
She, Mm. I like the dress. I like how she's looking.
How much?
How much will I rate Shibani? I think that's a good solid 9 on 10.
Whoa. Whoa.
Like she's been turning up with her fashion game. Karishma Tanna looked really nice. She was giving
Miss Long Legs.
Miss Long Legs. She was actually looking
I
really
have a thing against anybody that's
tall.
taller than 5'5". I'm just straight up jealous.
Really?
Yeah.
For GQ Awards, Karishma Tanna killed it. 10 on 10 for that entire look. Chef's kiss. Tripti Dimri. I don't know, like Tripti Dimri gives me trying too hard vibes. Like when I look at her, does not look effortless. Looks like I've put max efforts. But I guess that's okay, but like maybe 7 on 10. Actually,
do another last one.
I've been too kind. 6.5.
6.5.
Okay. Now, Miss Sonam Kapoor.
Whoa. The queen.
Okay, Miss Sonam Kapoor killed it. Like she's been pulling out looks on looks on looks. She wore this really pretty green dress. She looked fab. 11 on 10.
So, Roma, you must have dealt with a ton of crises that come during the styling jobs. Tell us some of your experience so people who are watching can learn how to face any circumstances that they face while styling.
That's a tough one
Yeah.
because nothing can prepare you for whatever
job.
happens and this job. And I was styling and she was going for this show and she wanted to get source stuff without wanting to give credits.
Oh.
And she's like, okay, but I won't be able to give credits. So somehow we just managed and I got her stuff under my name because I have relationship with brands.
Right.
And yeah, and then she came back. The things that I gave her, she came back with a couple of missing pieces. And then we had a whole fight where she's like, I've kept it and it's not there. So basically she lost 10 jewelry pieces
Oh.
from the brand, and the brand obviously had to talk to me.
Yeah.
And then later we came into a conclusion that, you know what, you have to pay because you're the one who used it.
Yeah.
And then there was also this one time where she used a top and I had been asking about that top because I am questionable to the brands, right?
Yeah.
So I was asking about that top. She put me on scene, put me on red, did not respond to that message. And one fine day, I see her on Instagram wearing the same top that I was inquiring about.
Ouch.
Yes. And when confronted, she was like, oh my God, I must have missed it with another similar looking top that's in my wardrobe.
Ah, okay.
That's a lie.
That's a lie. We know it.
That's a lie. So you do come across these many things and you just have to deal with it, I guess.
So, Roma, we learned everything about styling, personal styling, celebrity styling, how to style men, how to style women, how do we style our own selves. And we pretty much can wear clothes on our own after this episode.
100%. Maybe you should enroll in my classes that I'm starting.
That she's starting. Oh, and we forgot. Roma also has recently started her own label, which is called Roma the Label. You guys
Yes.
must check it out. We'll leave the links and everything down below in the description. Please go check it out. She has some fab pieces. We couldn't wear them today, unfortunately.
Unfortunately, but maybe on the next one.
Maybe on the next one. And many more to go. I can keep wearing them.
Yes.
So, guys, like, share, subscribe, and
Do it.
keep watching us. And keep watching us to learn from some amazing entrepreneurs for free.